Here now sum is limit x tends to 0, 3 raised to x plus 3 raised to minus x is given now. Minus 2 and upon x tan x is given. So here raised to minus x is given. So how we can write 3 raised to minus x? We can write 1 upon 3 raised to x. So this is limit x tends to 0, 3 raised to x, 1 upon 3 raised to x minus 2 upon x tan x. Now to simplify this, as 1 upon 3 raised to x is given, so to cancel this 3 raised to x, multiply numerator and denominator by 3 raised to x. So we can cancel 3 raised to x. Multiply numerator and denominator by 3 raised to x. That means we can say multiply and divide. So now limit x tends to 0, 3 raised to x into 3 raised to x, which we can write 3 raised to x whole square. Here 3 raised to x get cancelled, so answer is plus 1. Minus 2 into 3 raised to x. Don't write 6 raised to x, okay? 3 raised to x is there, into 2 is given. Upon x tan x into 3 raised to x. Okay? Now, read this properly. Suppose this 3 raised to x is a. Put here 3 raised to x is equal to a. So we will get a square plus 1 minus 2 into a, which is actually we can write a square minus 2a plus 1. And what is that? We know that this is a minus 1 whole square. This is a square minus 2a plus 1. Okay, so here use this same. If you want, write 3 raised to x as a and then simplify this, or you can write directly, because that is very clear from this formula. So limit x tends to 0, 3 raised to x minus 1 whole square, using this. Again check this, 3 raised to x whole square, then minus 2 into 3 raised to x plus 1 square. Okay, so this is what? 3 raised to x minus 1 whole square upon x tan x into 3 raised to x. Now, to use this a raised to x minus 1 upon x, here we want upon x, but here whole square is given, and that means we want here upon x square. Same case here, because if we only divide by x, this x will get cancelled, but with this tan x also we want upon x. So here also we want x square. Okay, there is no tension of this, because 3 raised to x is given. If we write x 0, 3 raised to 0 is what? 1. So that is not coming 0. Okay, so we can write here limits separate. Now in numerator and denominator we want same upon x square. So divide numerator and denominator by x square. Okay, so here as square is there, so we can write 3 raised to x minus 1 upon this x whole square. Okay, now with this x tan x, write this upon x square, and this 3 raised to x write separate with separate limit. Now here limit write inside this bracket, which we can write. So limit x tends to 0, 3 raised to x minus 1 upon x whole square upon, here 1x get cancelled. From this x square, 1x get cancelled with this. So remaining is tan x upon x. With that, write limit separate. And here, this is 1 upon 3 raised to 0. Okay. So we know that this is equal to log a. Here a is 3. So this is log 3 whole square upon. Now sin theta upon theta and tan theta upon theta, answer is same. That is what? 1. So limit x tends to 0, tan x upon x is 1. And we know that any a raised to 0 is 1. So 3 raised to 0 is 1. Now don't write this as 2 log 3. When we can write that? If log 3 whole square is given, only 3 square is given, not log 3 whole square, then we can write 2 log 3. But here log 3 whole square is given. So don't use this formula here. Here write this same answer. So log 3 whole square into 1 is there, upon 1 is there. So we will get same answer, log 3 whole square. Okay.